cat scat, bird spikes. Hopefully this keeps the cats out of my garden beds. Garden update, guys. One of my issues that I have is people fucking cats. My garden beds are doing well. However, the fucking cats are just fucking shit up. And I understand that during the winter time, they could come in my raised garden beds and chill out and use it as their fucking poop deck. But summertime is coming and I'm getting my garden started, and I do not want them in my garden beds. So here's my solution. Now my backyard is a total mess. I bought these things right here. These are actually for birds, and I'm gonna tag it in my Amazon store, and I am gonna post a link in my community tab. I got two things. The other one is inside. These are actually bird spikes, and they are very, very, very sharp, but not too sharp to cause damage. So I am going to even this out right here because they've been digging in my garden beds, and then I'm gonna lay these down and let's see how that works. I still need to clean up my garden bed because I usually change out the mulch. It looks a hot stinking mess. Also, last year I got a fucking dog, and that damn dog stressed me the hell out. The dog was digging and just tearing up my goddamn backyard. I had to get rid of it. I cannot do dogs. I'm sorry. So if you have a cat problem, guys, you might want to get some of these. Oh, I got another thing I gotta show you. It's inside. This is called cat scat mat. So they're not as lethal as as these, but I might put these in my mulch because I have a problem with them shitting in my mulch as well, and it's freaking annoying. Alright guys, so the cat scat, it also has these little anchors, metal anchors. I don't know what you call them. I'm gonna call them that, and some zip ties so you could like put them together. Guys, this is what it's looking like. My cat scat and my bird spikes. I am going to tag it to my lawn, garden, and backyard I Dare list on my Amazon storefront. If you want to support my channel, please use my link to make your purchases when you're shopping on Amazon. I would really appreciate it. And so this is what it's looking like, guys. I decided to use my cat scat and my bird spikes in the smaller areas. And so I'm going to zip tie these right here in the center, in the back, in the front, because those are the same size. And I probably might zip tie this one so it could not move, and then I might just like use one of these to secure it so it doesn't move. I am going to probably add some to this, but I'll probably want to add my tomato support system first, because tomato plants grow really fast and you need to make sure you have a support system in place. I'm going to create a whole nother video for that as well, and that is also tagged in my I Dare list. So guys, if you want to support my channel, please use my Amazon storefront link to make your purchases while you're shopping on Amazon. And if there's any products that I ever share in my videos, I will always tag them in my Amazon storefront.